Number 1. 48-piece flat tire repair kit includes everything you need in a durable carrying case. The 12-volt tire inflator plugs directly into cigarette lighter and inflates a standard car tire in 3 minutes. Includes slime tire sealant which seeks out and instantly seals puncture up to 1/4 using patented Fibro Seal technology. Also includes T-handle reamer and plugger with 34-inch black tire repair strings. Alligator clip power adapter allows for a direct to battery connection to draw maximum power. Number 2. Premium upgraded strings, heavy-duty brown strings you can trust to provide a superior safety seal. Much stronger, and repair much better than the black strings found in other kits. Every aspect of the Boulder Tools tire plug kit is engineered to be strong, so that it will be the last kit you'll ever have to buy. Versatile flat tire repair kit, cars, motorcycles, ATVs, tractors, lawnmowers, RV, dirt bikes, trailers, jeeps, trucks and spare tire repair kit. Comes with 30 superior brown tire plugs, making this the best radial tire repair kit. Quality premium pro grade tools included. You'll need pliers for every repair. Our flat tire repair kit includes a solid pair of quality pliers. A big upgrade to the skinny cheap pliers found in other tire plug repair kits, along with 56 well thought out pieces and a durable case to keep it all organized and secure. Ergonomically designed T-handle tools, the right tool for the job, makes it easy to repair punctures in any tubeless tire in minutes. Our portable tire repair kit includes easy to understand and easy to follow color instructions. 1-year warranty. Our tools are heavy duty and made tough so you can get the job done and get back on the road. If you're strong enough to render one of our tools ineffective, our auto tire repair kit is covered by a 1-year warranty and our customer service is second to none. Number 3. Provides 100% inflation in one simple step. Sealant and air are sent into the flat tire at the push of a button. Repairs and re-inflates large tires in 7 minutes. Includes powerful reusable 12-volt inflator with built-in gauge. Works on all vehicles. Number 4. 6-piece inner tube bicycle repair kit includes 1. Metal scuffer 1 tube of vulcanizing glue 6-1 inch, round patches 3-1-1/4, round patches 2-2 inches x 1 inch, oval patches and 3. Tire lever removal tools. Stronger than your punctured material. RocRide new patches are more durable than the actual rubber inner tube or dinky materials that you will be patching. Lightweight, only 2.3 ounces, and it's also great to have in your backpack, camelback, and utility bicycle pack. Compact, only 4.75 inches, x 2.5, x 75 inches. Simple to USC scuff, punctured area with metal scuffer, provided squeeze glue around punctured area and wait 5 minutes. Peel off sliver backing, on patch and place over glued area. Press firmly to ensure vulcanization. Remove clear top plastic from patch, and it's ready for use. RocRide's 16-piece bicycle tube repair kit works great for bicycle tire tubes, inflatable dinghies, ATVs, BMX and motorcycles. Number 5. Includes a 5 to 50 psi pencil tire gauge. Includes an insert and rust T-handle tools. Includes 20 black 4-inch repair plugs. Includes 3 medium round patches. Includes both a 0